Hello guys, I hope you're doing really very great. Now in previous video or in previous videos we had loaded our data, we had pre-processed our data and we imported this data or loaded this data into this visualizations page. Now in this video and in the next video we'll be creating the simple and dynamic dashboard using the visualizations based on all this data we have. So now let's get started. The first visualization which we'll be working on, that would be the sales generated by the category depending upon the dates we have. For example, we have three particular categories with us, that is furniture, office supplies or technology. So if our client want to know what was the sales of the particular technology category in, if you say, 2018, so how can we visualize that? So Power BI offers us these default visualizations, and apart from that, there are various thousands of visualizations available online. So we'll start off with this clustered column chart. When you click on any visualization, it will pop up a blank visualization with you, in which you need to enter the values over here. Now, initially, we'll use the order date in our axis field. So by default, Power BI will arrange all these year, quarter, month and day in a hierarchy. So what is a hierarchy? Hierarchy actually is a set of value which will enable you to navigate up or down. Like for example, you can jump from month to quarter or year to quarter, month or day. So in Access, we'll enter our order date. In the values, we'll enter our sales values, and in the legends we'll enter our category. As we can see, we have done with our first visualization. Let's enlarge this. We can see clearly we have got the sales for each category based on our dates from 2015 to 2018. Now, as we discussed earlier, Power BI has created a default hierarchy for our order date from year to day to each day of the month. So how to hover that? We have option over here, that is drill down options. What drill down enables us, it enables us to navigate from the top level from year to the bottom level, that is day of each month. How to do that is just click over here, go to next level in hierarchy. If we select 2015, we can have a view for each quarter of the year. Again, by clicking that, we can have a overall view how sales perform for each category in particular month, and also for the each day of that particular month. Now, first visualization was regarding each category for furniture, office supplies and technology. Now in the second visualization, we'll see what was the count or the amount of sales for each subcategories across the whole country. For that purpose, we'll use this stack bar chart. So the only advantage of this stack bar chart is that it used to compare between the categories of data with an ability to break down and compare the parts as a whole. It will represent each category under one scale, like from 0 to 100%. So let's use this visualization. In the axis section, we'll put our category, and now in the legend section, we'll use our subcategories. And for the value section, we'll use the country. Now as you can see, we have amount of each subcategories that were sold in the whole country. For example, if we consider the category furniture, the subcategory bookcases were sold around 9.34%, or chairs were sold around 27.87%. Likewise for all the three categories. Now, as you can see, we have used the hierarchy, that is from year to day, for only this particular visualization. But now client approaches us and he tells he wants to hover over the years, like from 2015 to 2018, for all the visualizations we present in future. So how can we do that? We can do that by simply using this slicer option. For example, if we drag the year to our visualization page and click on slicer, this slicer enables us to select the particular year. Now here it has provided us with a slider option. We can slide from 2015 to 2018, or we can select the range from 2016 to 2018. Similar-wise, it also gives various options like list or drop down or between, like using the slider. Now we'll use the list for selecting any particular year. Now if we select 2016, it will only give the data for all the visualizations for 2016. But what I feel, this vertical orientation doesn't look great. So how can we change this? Is by going to the format option. Now in this format interface, this offers a wide range of editing options for our visualizations. For example, in general settings, we can change the orientation, we can change the width and height. Similarly, we can remove the slicer head, we can add the title, we can change the background color. By default it's white, we can change it to blue and whatever by our choice. Now also we can add the border, we can add the shadow, and there are much more things to explore. Now over here we'll remove the slicer head, and now for changing the orientation we'll just click horizontal. After we have done with the orientation from vertical to horizontal, we'll just manually rearrange our visualizations so that we can accumulate our other visualizations as well. We can do this manually by changing the height and width. I'll just shift the first visualization bottom so that I can add this date towards the top. Now, apart from the dynamic dates option which we had created, we also want that our client should have an overview of the sales. So how can we do that is by dragging the sales option on our visualizations page, and we can click on this card option. This feature is really amazing because our client can have a birdwatch view about all his sales. Now, in future, if he wishes to see what was the sales in 2015 in the technology category, he can select 2015 and click on the technology. He can see the sales was around 41.93 thousands. Now, in this scenario, our sales are in thousands. But there may be chances that in future the sales may increase from thousands to millions or billions. In that case, the unit thousands may not look great because the number will be huge. So how can we change this unit? We can go to this format interface. In this, we can have the data labels. Click on the data labels and we can see the display unit option over here. We can change the display unit from thousand to millions, or we can change to billions. This was all for today's video, and in the next video we'll use various visualizations to complete our dashboard so that we can submit our dashboard to our client. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Do share your genuine views in the comment section. If I was wrong somewhere, you can suggest me new things in the comment section. Well, thank you. Bye bye.